Hi there. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deploy Nginx in a CCE Autopilot cluster. CCE Autopilot provides serverless clusters. It uses resource pooling to aggregate resources and supports intelligent upgrades, automatic vulnerability patches, and parameter tuning. The O&M of the underlying resources is fully managed, so your applications are more reliable and your O&M costs are reduced. Nginx is a high-performance open-source HTTP server and reverse proxy. It is widely used to process high concurrency, distribute incoming network traffic, and serve static web content. Nginx in a CCE Autopilot cluster can be used as a load balancer and reverse proxy to efficiently distribute traffic and ensure high availability and fault tolerance of applications. It can also simplify traffic management, security control, and API gateway functions in a microservice architecture. This improves system flexibility and scalability. In this video, we use Nginx as an example to show you how to create a CCE Autopilot cluster and deploy a workload in the cluster. In this example, we have enabled CCE and completed required authorization. There are still 4 steps. First, create a CCE Autopilot cluster. Then, deploy the Nginx workload in the cluster. After that, access the Nginx workload, and then release resources. The last step is optional. The process is as follows. Log into the CCE console and click by cluster. Select CCE Autopilot cluster for type and configure the basic settings. Configure the cluster network. No alarms are involved in this example. Click Next, select Add-on. In this step, you can only install the default add-ons. Confirm the configuration, complete the purchase, and view the cluster in the cluster list. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to create a cluster. Click the cluster name, choose Workloads in the navigation pane, and click Create Workload. Enter the basic information, select Deployment for workload type, and set pods to 1. Configure the container parameters. Select the Nginx image for image name in the basic info of container settings. Select Latest for image tag. Create a service for external access to Nginx. Set service name to Nginx and select Load Balancer. Select Auto Create for Load Balancer and then select Auto Assign for EIP. If there is already a load balancer, you can select it. Set container port to 80, service port to 8080, and click OK. Click Create Workload. It takes about 30 seconds to create a workload. Click the Refresh button. The status is running. Click the workload name. Copy the load balancer's EIP under access address. This address is used for accessing Nginx over the public network. Enter the copied address in the address bar of your browser to access Nginx. Now you can release the resources. Return to the CCE console and click Delete Cluster. In the displayed dialog box, release resources as directed. Enter Delete and click Yes. It takes about 1 to 3 minutes to delete a cluster. Click the Refresh button. If the cluster disappears, the cluster is deleted. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in.